Welcome to ZK Mobile. Today, we explore the Vivo X60 Pro Plus, a flagship smartphone that stands out with its advanced features and exceptional performance. Design and display. The Vivo X60 Pro Plus boasts a sleek design with a 6.56-inch Super AMOLED display, offering a resolution of 1080 by 2376 pixels. This screen supports a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+, ensuring vibrant colors and smooth visuals. The device measures 158.6 by 73.4 by 9.1 mm and weighs 191 grams, providing a comfortable grip and premium feel. Performance. At its core, the X60 Pro Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. This combination delivers top-tier performance, capable of handling multitasking and demanding applications with ease. The device runs on Android 11 with Vivo's FunTouch OS 11.1, offering a user-friendly interface and smooth experience. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the quad-camera setup co-engineered with Zeiss optics. It includes a 50MP wide sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide gimbal camera, a 32MP telephoto lens, and an 8MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. This versatile system captures stunning images across various scenarios. The 32MP front camera ensures high-quality selfies and supports 4K video recording. Battery and charging. Equipped with a 4200 mAh battery, the X60 Pro Plus supports 55 watts wired fast charging. This feature allows users to quickly recharge and stay connected throughout the day. Conclusion. The Vivo X60 Pro Plus combines elegant design, powerful performance, and an advanced camera system, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a premium smartphone experience.